and welcome to Slow Foxtrot seminar Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build advanced figures from basic figures which you can find in technique books. And today we will look at bounce Fallaway to Develope. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. So we start with a bounce Fallaway, and we will change fourth step. Instead of transfer weight to right foot, we will stay on left foot and point with right foot. So slow and quick, quick. And here we start line figure. And lady starts with right foot back into bounce Fallaway. In last step, she does movement with free left foot and then follow with develope or kick and then step and pivot. Now let's look at basic bounce Fallaway, slow and quick, quick. Very good, from opposite angle. Slow and quick, quick. And now we will make changes. In step 4, we will do another action. We will start line figure develope. Slow and quick, quick. And we dance develope, then step and natural pivot. In second bar, lady extends leg on 1, 2, 3, and then on 4, she dances pivot. Let's look again with the teaching count. Slow and quick, 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 and quick. Very good, from opposite angle. Slow and quick, 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 quick. Now we will dance before this figure feather finish, and after this figure we can dance a running finish. So after pivot we can dance a running finish. Now let's put all together in small choreography. So we dance feather finish, then we dance bounce Fallaway, in end we dance develope, pivot and a running finish. And now let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. So we dance feather finish, bounce Fallaway, prepare, then develope, pivot and a running finish. Very good, from opposite angle. Five, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. Now once again, please notice how Andrejs and Kornelija dance body shape in line figure in develope. And slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's put all this to music. thank our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.